If you're looking for a solar company in Philadelphia, Bucks County, Montgomery County, actually throughout Pennsylvania and New Jersey, you're trying to make a decision, you're trying to figure out the math around a solar panel, an efficient solar panel, I could not be standing with a better industry pro. I'm standing with Pat from KISS Electric. You are promoting Solar by KISS. People are unaware of how efficient solar is today. People are eliminating their bills. Maybe you could tell me a little bit about this job and what the customer can expect.
So these customers purchased a 4.8 kilowatt system, 16 panel system. Before this, they were averaging about $70 a month on their electric bill. Moving forward, their electric bill is going to average about $1.50. Now, on top of that, on the total cost of the system, the federal government paid for a third of it through a federal tax credit.
These incentives aren't always going to be there. When it comes to that monthly bill, are we looking, people will often talk about, hey, I won't get my money back for 20 years. Is that accurate?
Absolutely not. Return on investment, a solar system will pay for itself in about 8 years. What customers are doing is they're taking money they were spending anyway to the utility company, and they're using that money to invest it in a piece of equipment that produces their own clean energy. Once the system's paid for itself, they're officially making money.
Absolutely, get rid of those expenses every month. People are unaware, you don't have to pay the electric bill anymore. We're getting testimonials from KISS Electric customers, and they're talking about getting a dollar bill.
He was talking about a $1 bill. You get to the point where the energy company owes you money.
This is a 1 month payment for just 1 month in July, $182 back.
Solar is here, it's a great investment, and tell me why it's a great investment.
It's all about education, how you propose the system, how you show people the return on their investment. We show you how to take that budgeted money and funnel it a different way and generate your own electricity. As you said, in Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, we're told you can't sell solar, you can't do solar. It's not a solar-friendly state. Well, we're here today showing you that it's a great investment. It's worthwhile to be here and doing solar in the city of Philadelphia, along with partners of the Philadelphia Energy Authority, the Solarize Philadelphia program, along with the city of Philadelphia, helping us get solar on the roofs.
These guys are true pros, and I know you pride yourself in training and getting the right technicians for each and every job.
The guys have done many systems. They're very well trained. We do continuing education with training, not just smaller residential systems here in the city and outside in the suburbs, but also large 2, 3, 4 megawatt jobs on commercials that we tie right into the utility. And those customers sell huge amounts of electricity back to utilities that are looking for green energy.
You're providing solar systems and being called on by not only homeowners, but businesses. Maybe you can tell me what kind of projects you're taking on.
Our jobs are all over the place in size, from a small 6-panel system on a row home in Philadelphia to we did a 2.5 megawatt, 6-acre solar field in central New Jersey. Every job's different, every house is different. The size system a customer needs depends on 2 things, how much power they're using and how many panels we can actually fit on their house.
And it's great to eliminate a $400 electric bill, but when you're paying a $4,000 electric bill and that gets off the books, that's a huge savings for these businesses.
Absolutely, they're totally blown away by the amount of money they're saving and the amount of incentives that they're getting from the government for doing it.
With the green movement as well, these businesses really probably enjoy even promoting the fact that they went green as well.
Absolutely. A lot of companies like the PR that comes with producing clean energy. It's a good thing to do. People like it and they want to be involved in it. So they want to work with companies that are doing the right thing.
Not be enough good things being said about KISS Solar, the team. Thanks again, Pat.
You got it.
The company itself really just supporting each and every customer, one job at a time.